Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to use OBS Studio to record PowerPoint presentation with audio. So first thing that you will do is simply go to your OBS. Now from here guys, you could just simply go ahead and go to the settings over here. Now here on the settings, go to the audio. And now here on the audio, guys, just make sure you have the right desktop audio. And also, if you have a mic, you could just simply select it from here and just simply select your mic. Now, you could just simply select apply and OK. And now, guys, to make sure you go to the audio mixer and make sure to enable the desktop audio to capture the audio that is being presented into your screen. So if your presentation have a sound effects, it will automatically capture. And if you're gonna use a mic, as you can see, you should be able to see something like this in order for you to see if it's working. And now, once you are done and verified that the desktop audio and mic are working, you could just simply start recording. And after that, you could just simply go ahead and go to your presentation view. And from there, guys, you could just simply walk through your presentation while talking, and you should be able to capture it out. And after that, once you are done recording, you could just simply go to the OBS again, and you could just simply stop recording. And there you go. I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.